Hello everyone, look what we have today. We have the latest 14-inch MacBook Pro. Since I'm a student, I got the entry level one, which retails for $1999. Looking at the specs today, we have the 16 GB RAM, 512 GB storage, and 14-inch as the screen size diagonally. And yeah, you know the specs. I'm not going to get into the geeky stuff for now. Let me quick unbox it. I've been wanting this machine since the launch. Yes, we have the pull tab right here. Are you ready? Let's go. Ta-da! Never gets old, never gets old. There we go. And now forgot to tell you guys that I bought the space gray one. I looked at the silver one, but the silver, not my thing. So we have the space gray right here. Ooh, wow, it's been there with me since a couple of weeks now. Yeah, this is what you see. Let me quickly get it out. I'll put the machine aside for now. And look who's back. MagSafe, guys. And then we have some paperwork or some instructions. Give me the stickers. Wow, look at these. Love the stickers. And what else? I think we have the manual too. Oh, no one really cares. It's fine. And then I'm gonna put the stickers right back in and the paperwork aside. Yeah, so I got the 67-watt charger. I think that's sufficient for me because I'm usually not in a hurry and I have ample time to charge my device. So this is it. We'll put this aside, and now let's look at the machine itself. There we go. Okay, so oops, it's the other way. Yeah. Wow, look at the color, guys. So good. I think this is a little darker than the previous generation space gray. But yeah, anyways, let's just see what's in store for us. I hope I get a case for this. I've tried looking on Amazon and stuff like that for a good case, but didn't find one. Ooh, shoops. Satisfying, right? So neat. Ooh, wow. And now let me quickly wow, hey, hola to you too. All right, so what I'll do is I'll quickly set up my Mac, and then we'll be back for another video where I'll walk you through the basic stuff and my first impressions of the machine. Till then, peace.